Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MNKD. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Want to get this one updated here, as there's a couple, I don't want to say obvious levels, because I realize not everybody uses charts, or maybe this is the first technical chart you've ever seen, but there's a couple of key levels going forward that really stand out. And I like levels that really stand out, because levels that stand out mean a lot of other people notice them. And when a lot of other people notice them and are then wondering the same things, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic price movements. And that's what we have here. And the first key dynamic that's occurring now is that the price is now starting to work on an uptrend right here. So the price made the bounce up, and then today the price started to pull back. So the question always becomes, when things start to pull back, is is this the start of something bigger? Is this thing going to collapse? What's going on? And no, it didn't pull back. It didn't collapse. Sure, it pulled back, but it stabilized out before working its way back upwards. And that's what's allowed me to build this uptrending trend line in here. And, preferably going forward, as long as the price stays above that trend line, then that's going to imply that, it may not be anything, totally exciting where the price, just explodes upwards, but it could imply, because I'm thinking about the price go up there and come all the way down there, come here and then go all the way up there and come down. But if that were to occur, then each and every one of those times where the price comes down, well, then it's still building those higher lows. And that's what you want to see. Or maybe for another visual representation, if you envision those as stair steps, that's what that would represent. So to me, that orange line is important going forward, because that's going to kind of measure whether or not this turnaround can try to take place, because it's already bottomed out for now. The bottoming out happened right here. Several days of sideways price movement. Now it's starting to try to reverse things around. So right now, yeah, this is a bounce. But bounces are different than reversals. Sometimes people interchange those. Now, can a bounce turn into a reversal? Absolutely. But things, the cycle of a price is stabilize, bounce, and then that can turn into reversal. So again, the stabilizing happened here. Now it's bouncing, which brings about the question, how do we measure the health of the bounce? And watch that line there. As long as the price is above that area, that's a sign that the bounce is really just fully in the bull's favor. Now, the other level that a whole lot of people are going to be watching and wondering about is this level of resistance right here at $1.20. You can see several times recently the price was directly rejected off it, but you look back here and sure, it never quite hit it exactly, but there are other times where the price got within the vicinity of it. So a whole lot of people are going to be watching $1.20 going forward, meaning if there can be a nice high volume break of $1.20, then that could definitely create a good size and worthwhile breakout to the upside. So those are really the two main levels going forward for the remainder of the week, and it's only Monday, so still 4 days left. So again, can the price stay above that uptrending trend line there, and can the price break up through $1.20? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.